I got another shipment of sprinkles and embellishments for my fake bakes, and I can't wait to show you. And I got it in this cute little container. Stay tuned to see what's all inside. Well, hello, look at all my goodies. I've got some bunch of stuff in here and we're gonna go through them and I'm gonna show you what I got. Now these items came from a online store, and it took a while to get here, so I had to end up making an order with Play Code 3, and as soon as I got my Play Code 3 items, I ended up getting my other stuff like a day or two later. So now I have like this huge supply of stuff. So let's get started. So the first thing I got is all these little mini M&Ms, and they're all different colors. As you can see, they come in this fuchsia, there's like a mint green, there's a blue, purple, so they've got your brown, so there's all these different colors, so it goes with whatever time frame that you're going to be doing crafts with. So I got a bunch of those, so there's a whole bunch in here. I think I got 3 packages of these. Then the next thing I got is these cute little suckers, and I just got 2 colors. I wasn't sure what they would look like, so I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but they are really cute. So this is like a medium blue. It's not real dark. And then I got this pink. That one's really pretty. So they're just really cute on these little sticks. So I got those. And then I had ordered these. Oh, some of them got away. I had ordered these because I really like these. I had some for Christmas, different colors, and so I just ended up buying a little bit more. And so they came in a variety of colors. And then I got, so there's 2 different things in here. Get my fat hand out of the way. So there's these little stars, and then you have the hearts. So, and there are different colors. So as you can see, there's blue and red and orange. And then I got some Gummy Bears. These are super cute. Look at how cute those are. Ooh. I love that. Oh, it's so cute. So I didn't get too many of those. I thought I had gotten more because I really like them, but I guess not. And then I got 2 different kinds of suckers. I got these big giant ones. Let me get these out of here. What am I doing here? And then I got these little tiny ones, and these are so cute. I love all the colors. I'd gotten one as a free gift from maybe Play Code 3 at one time. I'm not sure where that came from, but I only had one, and when I saw this website had them, I had to make an order and buy some. So those are my little lollipops. These are, yeah, they're okay. I'm glad I only bought 1 package. But that's the first level. So let me stop my camera and open the next level. All right, so this is my next level. So over here we've got some cherries and just a little bit. And then going over like some little, I don't know, like a little sucker kind of thing. I don't know, they're so cute. I love them. And then as anybody knows me really well, I love Disney. So I had to get some Disney items. Man, these are so cute. Look at this. They're like little donuts. So I got all different kind of these ones. And then there's another set that I kind of just all included. And they're just Disney things. So this is kind of like the Winnie the Pooh one. Winnie the Pooh? I don't know. I don't know what this one is. But they're all kind of like Disney. This one's a this one's a Goofy. So they're just different ones. I don't know. Oh, I guess they're all kind of similar. What is this one? Oh, this one's like the Donald Duck. So I got those. And then I just got little pieces of chocolate. And these are cute. I just got one little package. And then I had ordered these ones for my, I was going to do something at Christmas. But I didn't get them in time. And the same with these ones here. I was going to use these for my, not gingerbread, but the Candyland house that I was doing. I have 2 packages of those. So I'll just wait till next year. So let's see what's in the next level. All right, here's my next level. I'm calling this one the, I don't know, flower nature one, but there's some other stuff in there, so I guess that can't work. But I got these little flowers, pretty cute. I thought I had bought 2 different designs, but I see that I have all of the same, so I don't know what happened here. And then these ones, let me move these ones. These ones are a little, oh my gosh, my fingers are so big, or my hand keeps getting in the way. Where is the camera? Jeez. And I guess that's not gonna show up. Oh my gosh. And so these are like little bouquets of flowers. So those would be really cute on like a cake or something. So I have quite a few, well, about 10 of those ones. And then I got some butterflies because my mom loves butterflies. These ones right here. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I should have just taken all this stuff out of this box. Anyways, these are the butterflies. I was trying to turn them over so you could see how pretty they are, because all of them are kind of turned the wrong way. But I like that purple one a lot. It's really pretty. And then I got some little hats. So I don't know, some kind of country little girl. I don't know. We'll figure out something. And then here's some little cute little characters. If I decide to make something, I can put them on there as an embellishment. And then look at this. This is really cool. It looks like bubbles, but it's little beads. So, and I only got one bag because they were a little pricey. I don't remember. I don't know why I only got one bag, but now I'm wishing that I should have got more, because look at how cute those are. Let's see if it's gonna focus. But it looks like bubble bath beads, or bubble bath bubbles. Bubble bath bubbles. But really pretty. So I only got one bag of these, and I want to, if I can buy more, I will try, and then I could use them more often. But these are gorgeous. I'm really happy with this stuff. All right, so let me see. I got one more. Well, let me see. I think some of these on the bottom I already had. Oh yeah, I already had those. So that's it. And then I just wanted to mention that this little container that you see, you just have to snap it. I can't do it with one hand. And then it has like a little lid on it here. And I bought this from the 99-cent store. I think it was $3.99. So this is a good investment because you have different little sections for all of your different items. And so I think I have 3 of these now. So I think I'm done. I shouldn't say that. I have one more shipment, so I might need one more box. But I really liked this. It's really easy to open and close, and it's pretty sturdy, and the handle is really nice. So good investment. Haul of little items for the fake bakes. So hopefully you'll be seeing some of these items in some of my upcoming projects. So stay tuned and return to see what I do. Bye-bye. Update, I got another package today, so I thought I'd add it on. These are all from the same website, AliExpress, some people call it Alibaba. It's from China. So I just got these little Oreo cookies. I thought they were gonna have a back piece so I could make an actual cookie, but I guess you could put these two together and make a cookie, put some cream filling in the middle. So I got that, and then I got the pink ones, same thing. These ones are a little bit, get over here, the pink ones are a little bit bigger than the chocolate ones. And then I got a little bit more Gummy Bears, but there was only 10 in this package. I think it was pretty cheap. I just wanted to see the quality. But again, I purchased these. I made an order prior to getting the stuff from Playcode, and because it takes forever when you order from this China website. So I think, to me, I'm gonna just go ahead and stick with our local creators, and knowing that when I put an order in, I can get it really quick. Okay, thanks. Just giving you an update. Come back soon and see what I do with these. Bye-bye for now.